Hare Krishna students. Today we will learn a new concept, ascending and descending order. Okay? What do you understand by ascending and descending order? Okay. Ascending order. When we arrange a number from smallest to biggest order, it is called ascending order. जब भी कोई कुछ नंबर्स को हम सबसे छोटे नंबर से लेकर सबसे बड़े नंबर के ऑर्डर में जब हम लोग उसको लिखते हैं तो हम उसे बोलते हैं असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, अरेंज करते हैं. हियर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स अरेंजिंग नंबर्स फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. ओके, जब हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ अरेंज करते हैं नंबर्स को तो हम बोलते हैं असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. एंड व्हाट इज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर? When the number are arranged from biggest to smallest order, it is called descending order. जब हम कुछ नंबर्स को बिगेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं तो हम उसे बोलते हैं डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, I'll show you some example. Here I have one stair. Okay, so in this stair, when we climb up from down, so 1 2 3 4 5 up from down. Okay, so this order is ascending order. And when we get down from up 1 2 3 4 and 5, when we down from up 1 2 3 4 5 down from up, so this is called descending order. Okay, understand? In these orders we have to compare first number. Okay, so let's see the example. Arrange the following number in the ascending and descending order. Okay, so here given some numbers and we have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So first we have arranged in ascending order. We have to see which number first digit is smallest. So here 7 is big, 1 is small, 6, 3, 1 is also small. Okay, so this number are small. In this number we have to compare now second digit. Here second digit is 5 and here second digit is 2. So this number is smallest. So we have to put this number first, 128. Okay, now next number is 159. 159. Okay, now next is after 1 we will see the next number. Here 7 is big, 6 and 3 is smallest. Okay, so the number 395 is the next number. And now after 3 which number? 7 1 6. Okay, 6 number is small. So the number 621 is next order. And now the next one is last 7. 7 is the greatest number in this order. So 723 is also the greatest number in the order. Now let's see the descending order. In this order we have to see the greatest number. So the greatest number is 7. So here we put first 723. Now 621 is small than 723. So next is 621. Then next is 395. 395 is small. And next number is 159. So next is 159 and the last smallest number in this order is 128. 128 is the smallest number. Okay. Now let's solve the exercise. Rewrite the numbers in ascending order. Okay, we have to write this number in ascending order. So first we have to see which number is the smallest, because we have to write the numbers from smallest to biggest. So which number is the smallest? Here 2. 2 is the smallest. So this number 200 is the smallest. Now next number is here 3. So 300 is the next number. Now 3. After 3 here given 6. So 600 is next number. After 600 here after 6 7. So 700 is next number. And the greatest number is 9 here. So the greatest number is 900. Okay. Now next 1. 1 is the smallest number. So this number 175 is the smallest number. Now next is after 1 what comes? 2. So 243 is the next number. Now after 2 here is given 4. So 427 is the next number. After 4 given 5. 529 is the next number. And now the greatest number of this order is 6. So 618 is the greatest number of this order. Okay. Now next is rewrite the numbers in descending order. In this order we have to write this from biggest to smallest. So we have to see which number is biggest. Here 6, 5, 4, 8 and 7. So 8 is the biggest number. So this whole number 819 is the biggest number. After 8, before 8 which number comes? 7. So this number 725 is the next number. Before 7 which number comes? 6. So 627 is the next number. Now before 6 5 comes. So 529 is the small number. And the smallest number of this series is 4. So 450 is the smallest number. Now last question is, here given first digit 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Okay. So now we have to compare the second digit. In second digit here is 6, 5, 8, 9 and 1. So which number is the smallest? 1. Right. So this number 510 is smallest number. Sorry. We have to see smallest to greatest to smallest number. Okay. So in this series we have to see greatest number. So which number is greatest? 9. So this number 590 is greatest. Okay. Now next number is 580. 580 is small than 590. Now next is 560. 560 is the smallest. And next is 550. And now the smallest digit is 510. Okay.